Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. So in today's episode, we're going to talk about how spray foam roofing is sustainable and renewable. So spray foam is sustainable because, if something happens to it, it gets a cut, a crack, a puncture, you pretty much just cut around that area, add some coating or caulk, smooth it out, and the roof remains as is. So being sustainable, it just means it's going to continue as it was when it was originally installed, and that's pretty much how spray foam roofing is. So if you're looking for a roof that you don't want to make significant repairs to, spray foam is definitely one. And a lot of people ask, it's a good selling point, how is spray foam roof renewable? What does that actually mean? It's renewable because once the foam roof is installed, it's protected with silicone coating, and it comes in 20 to 30 mils, so very, very thin layer of basically a sacrificial layer. After that warranty period is over, it wears down naturally to 7 or 8 mils of coating, and once that's over, you just power wash the roof clean, add some more coating on it, and the roof's back to originally where it started. The spray foam does not lose any R value over the variation of the warranty, so it doesn't lose any of its properties there. And that's pretty much how it works. It's good for the environment with doing a spray foam roof because you're not tearing anything off. And once the 20 years are up, you put some more coating on it, you get another 20 years out of it, as opposed to a single ply or a metal roof. Once that lifespan is over, you got to rip it all off, transport to landfill, and it's just not good for the environment versus the alternative. And that's pretty much how it's comparable to the roof system. So if you have any other questions or want to learn more about sustainability or renewability, please click the link in the description. It'll take you to the blog post with more details. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.